We're going to take a look at 13 and 16. All answers are integers, which means we should not get decimals. We're trying to find the third segment and determine if the missing length is a leg or hypotenuse. So what we're going to do for these is we're going to assume that we have a squared, b squared, and we just have a and b. If we get an integer answer, then we just have to swap it up. Alright, so what we have here is we're first going to assume that this is A, this is B, and this is C. I don't know if that's true. We're just going to assume that information. So first we have 40 squared plus 41 squared equals x squared. So that would be 1600, I believe. Let's just see. Yeah, 1600 plus 1681 equals x squared. You can add those up. You get 3281 is equal to x squared. Then I'm going to square root it. And when you look at this calculation that I just put on here, I have a decimal. It says that it has to be an integer. So this means what I just did, assuming this is A, this is B, that's C, is incorrect. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to swap it up a little bit. And I saw right here, this did not work. So the only other way for this to work would be this is A, this is B, this is C. So we can just see right there, this is not true. So what we're actually solving for is a leg. So what we have is, missing a leg. Let's just confirm with that, which is a little bit of work. So what we have here is x squared plus 40 squared equals 41 squared. It's above, we can see it's x squared plus 1600 equals 1681. We subtract 1600, subtract 1600. You get x squared equals 81. We square root it. We square root it. Don't have space, so we move over here. X would equal 9. So the missing leg is equal to 9. Alright? So for number 16, we're going to do the same exact step. A, B, C. So first we have 28 squared plus 45 squared equals x squared. Your calculator says 28 squared is 784 plus 45 squared gives you 220. 25 equals x squared. You add those up, you get 2,809 equals x squared. Oops. Then when you square root it, you get a perfect number. 53 is equal to x. Since our integer is, since we do have an integer, that means our answer is correct. So this means C is a hypotenuse and x equals 59. Alright, there you go. That's for 13 and 16.